Hi people, and welcome to this trade assistant. This is basically a little gadget which works really well. It's for managing, calculate risk and managing positions using trailing stop functions, close positions in parts and other useful features which you might quite enjoy this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get heads down. I'm going to give you a little bit of a detail of how to do this, and I'm going to show you how you're going to set this up. Okay, so the trade system is a trading panel designed for manual trading. The panel allows you to calculate the risk, manage positions using the trailing stop functions, close positions in parts and other useful features. So the list of the main features are risk management, calculate volume of a transaction, taking into account the established risk and the size of the stop loss. Calculate the volume of the transaction, taking into account the commission of the broker and the spread. Displaying the profit of an open position, taking into account the commission of the broker and the spread. So the function of setting the ratio of profit to loss. Position and order management. So the panel supports markets and pending orders. Trade time manager, offering or closing by time. Closing the position in parts. This means that you can close a part of the order as a percentage of set of the volume. So you might want to just do 50% and you know, so you've already in profit, and then see if you're going to make more profit with it. Okay, so that's what you can do with this. The trailing stop, which has 7 control options, has stop loss order, in points, fractals, MA, which is moving average, parabolic SAR, and a true range. Okay, partial close, high, low bar, break even, moving stop loss to the level without loss. Trailing limit order, moves the limit order following the market price over a distance. So this is quite handy because you don't have to keep adjusting, you know, your stop loss or your profit bar. OCO order, a function to cancel several pending orders with one of them when it is activated. Virtual pending orders, virtual stop loss and take profit. Hide the stop loss and take profit. Close positions by order type and close positions upon reaching the specific profit. So the graphics panel function, this is the main panel which contains a tab menu for setting up and using the functions. The line function displays the opening line in the chart. The stop loss take profit, with this feature it is easy to place a new order and see its additional characteristics before opening. Display of open positions and orders function shows the opening line. This is stop loss take profit with additional useful information. Context menu, this allows you to change the settings of the selected order without affecting the settings of the other orders. And how the expert ID works. The application uses the expert ID number to identify its positions from other positions with the default settings. The application manages positions where you're opened with this number in the input settings. You can change the number to another one of this which specifies to 0, so the application manages positions with any number when any application is installed on 2 or more of the charts with the same symbol. In this case, a different number must be specified for each application. So you can see this is a bit of a breakdown of what you get. Okay, you can see that you can set limit, set your stop, sell, buy limit, buy, and then you've got your comments, your entry, your price. So you know, it's a nifty little gadget, this. I'm not going to go through too much of this because you know you've got this available for you. It just gives you a little bit of an indication of what you can do with this. It also shows you, as you can see here, it shows you the take profit here, which you can see. This one here is your actual place, and then this one here is your stop loss. Okay, so this is when you buy. This is a buy-in demonstration, if you like, and this one here is again, this is take profit, buy limit, and stop loss. Okay, so it just gives you an indication of how you can use this actual tool. And this one, which is using Euro USD, is showing you testing on a history of transactions, testing according to the set arrows. So you know, this is just another little bit of a gadget here which is hopefully going to help you in your trading world that you might be doing. So the trade manager is a function to complete trading tasks at a point in time. Opens trade by time. Set the order perimeters on the trade panel or using lines. These perimeters will be added to the task with which a position or order will be opened. In the settings window, you need to select the time, order type, and the click of the add button. Repeat the task by days of the week. Enable the days of the week in which the task will be performed at a certain time. The close functions are executed considerably, and the symbols all ID all options on the close tab. Check these options before using. Testing. The testing function allows you to mark trade opening points on the chart in order to use them as a strategy tester to find the optimal settings. Can use trade history entry points or manually set entry points. The function writes data about entry points to a file, then uses it to open trades in a strategy tester. So this is your deal history testing. So there's lots and lots of things that you can do here. You can see that there's lots and lots of information, which I'm just going to now show you how to set this. I've given you a little bit of an idea of how you can work this out. There's lots and lots of info here, which is really going to help you. Don't worry, you get the PDF, which is yours to keep, or you can do what you like with it. It's going to give you lots and lots of information here, which is really going to help you. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to set this up. All right, so it's very, very simple. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Hopefully you'll be getting this up and running before you know it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Euro. We'll use Euro USD. I'm going to slide this across like so. Just going to change the properties, change the color. You can see I religiously do this all the time. Okay. Normally I like to move this over a bit, and now right mouse click and take the grid off. This just gives a naked chart. It's a lot easier for you to understand. And what we're going to do is we're going to be adding in the actual indicator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here, and you'll see that this is inside this one here. So this will be in here, and we're going to go over to here. I'm going to click on the this is exactly what you'll be doing. Okay, now the trade system is compiled with the MTX trend. Okay, watch out for this. This is going to be another video I'll be doing shortly. At the moment I'm just going to be doing the trade system for this at the moment. Okay, so we just want to make sure that we have the information I need for this. So we're just looking. Here's the trade assistant. So we just need to copy this. This is an actual expert advisor. Okay, so we just need to copy. So I just need to extract this file. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to extract this one here. So this is what you would be doing. Okay, you just be clicking on this. Okay, and we want to extract, and we're just going to extract it into the file. Click OK, close this down, and now I've got this in here, so I can now open this up. Go to my expert advisor. This is an expert. Grab this, copy this like so. Okay, this is for your trade system. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to put this into your file. So you go to Files, Open Data Folder. You want to go to MQL4, go to Experts, and paste in like so. Okay, so you can see that the trade assistant MTL Nodal exe4 has gone in. Now I'm going to close this down. Just going to give you a little bit of a demo to show you what you need to do now. Is if you scroll all the way to, sorry, that's where I'm filming. Here we go. So if we scroll down to here, see expert advisors, you'll see that it hasn't come up yet. So what we do is right mouse click, hit refresh. I'll scroll back down. You'll see that the trade assistant is here. So what you want to do now is you want to left mouse button, hold it, drag it across, okay, to your chart and let go. This is going to activate this, okay, and then what you need to do is you can set up if you want to have it looking for long or short positions. You can have long only, short only, which is quite handy, especially if you're following a trend. You can disable the alert. You can allow live trading, so this is actually going to start trading for you. We're going to put allow Dell imports, and we're now going to hit inputs. Now with the input folder, this is where you can play this to your heart's content. There's lots and lots of stuff here, okay? My advice to you is put this on a demo account first, give it a good test to see what's going on, and this will show you what you need to do. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you can see there's lots and lots of stuff in here, right? So you're going to have fun and games with this, and it's really just a case of practice and see what you get. So you can see you've got true range, horizontal. There's lots and lots of stuff here that you can do here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this in default for the time being. You'll see that the take profit is set at 2 and the stop loss is set at 1. The lot that we're trading is at 0.01, so it's very good because this is going to help us. The expert ID, this is where you want to make sure that you put another 8-digit ID, which is completely unique. Okay, and the idea of this is that you'll be able to, if you keep this ID, you'll be able to retract back what you were doing, or if you're on a server. Like you're using a VPS, as long as you put this code back in with the same thing that you're trading, and it will show you from when you started off before. Okay, so you can see that I've used 8 digits on this. We're now going to hit OK. What's a good idea is to save. When you find a set file that's working really well, you need to make sure you save it. This could be another video for another time. So we're just going to open this up, and you can see now that this trader system, which is in place, is happy smile. So this means that this is actually gone live. I'm going to be setting this on a 30-minute window. I'm just going to leave this chugging and we'll see what happens. And you can see here we've got trade, close, settings, info. So if I click on the info, gives you the balance of what my account is. It's showing I've got 11,081 in my account. Equity, which is 10,994. Showing me the margin, the profit margin, stop out 20%, account, which is a demo account, leverage, trade, and trade expert. Okay, so you can see instantly that this is already going to be giving you things on here which is really going to keep you motivated. Risk calculation. This is where you can click on here and you can actually adjust your percentage for a week, a day, custom value, margin, equity, balance, and currency. And then you've got lots and lots of stuff here. Trailing, trade. So this is a really great little tool. So you can see that this is in apply settings to current orders and positions. I'm going to click apply. As I said before, it's only because when I'm trading, it's very difficult to actually get this to operate. But what will happen is also it's going to obviously make a big difference as well when when we go live. Okay, because the stock market or the Forex market isn't live because it's at the weekend. So this is just a bit of a demo here. And then spread limit. So this is your spread limit, what you can put in your split order, okay, and lot split, and manage all symbols. Okay, now if you click manage all symbols, it's going to start managing these symbols as well. So we just want it to just run on this symbol alone. So I would suggest just to leave this and see how we get on. And I'm just going to leave this like it as it is. So you now know how to set the trader system up. So hopefully this is really going to help you. Hopefully you can get some enjoyment out of this little tool. And hopefully you're going to get some conversions and some great commissions. I would love to hear you inside the Facebook group, which you got access to, showing me and telling me how you're getting on with the trader system MT4 9.8. Because it's a great little gadget. I've got many more to show you. Until my next video. Cheers. Bye now.